Ever thought about sharing your expertise online but felt overwhelmed by the idea of building a course? Maybe you imagine it would take months of planning, filming, and editing before you could even think about launching. But what if I told you that in 2025, you can go from idea to a fully launched online course in just 1 week? That's right, 7 days from start to finish, with no need for fancy equipment or a huge following. Let's break down exactly how you can make this happen, step by step, using the latest AI-powered tools and platforms designed to make course creation faster and easier than ever. On day 1, you'll pick your topic and define your audience. Don't overthink it. Just focus on what you already know well, or what people often ask you about. Whether it's fitness routines, freelance skills, coding basics, or even niche hobbies like crochet or drone photography, there's an audience out there waiting to learn from you. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude, you can quickly validate demand by scanning forums, social media, and search trends in minutes. Day 2 is all about outlining your course structure. This is where AI really shines. Tools like Notion AI, Jasper, or WriteSonic can help you generate a professional course outline in seconds. They'll suggest the best lesson flow, learning objectives, and even quiz ideas, so you're never stuck staring at a blank page. On day 3, it's time to create your content. You don't have to start from scratch. Tools like Canva, Tome app, or Beautiful AI let you generate slides in minutes. AI video makers like Lumen 5 or Pictory can turn your text into engaging, faceless video lessons. Want to add extra value? Create PDFs and workbooks with Designer or Visme. If you're camera shy, day 4 has you covered. Faceless course creation is now completely normal. Use screen recording tools like ScreenPal or Loom, add AI voiceovers with 11 Labs, or let avatars from Synthesia do the presenting for you. Your course will look professional and engaging, all without you ever stepping in front of a camera. Day 5 is for editing and polishing. Forget spending weeks on this step. Tools like Descript let you edit video like text, remove filler words with a click, add captions automatically, and generate professional music and sound design with tools like Iva and SoundRaw. On day 6, upload everything to a platform like Teachable, Thinkific, Podia, or LearnCourses.us. These platforms make it easy to structure your lessons, add quizzes, set pricing, and even build landing pages. By the end of the day, your course can be live and ready for students. Finally, day 7 is launch day. Use AI tools like Okoya, Publer, or Buffer AI to generate and schedule engaging social media posts. Leverage email marketing with ConvertKit or Beehive, and optimize your reach with SEO tools like Surfer SEO. Promotion is now automated and scalable, so you can reach more students with less effort. The payoff? Depending on your topic and pricing, one simple course can earn anywhere from $1,000 to $20,000 or more per month. And once it's up, it becomes a passive income machine. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to launch your online course, this is it. The tools are here, the demand is massive, and your next income stream could be just 1 week away. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more strategies, and check out our other reviews on building scalable online businesses. Your journey starts now.